Welcome, I'm Dave Hritsko. I'm the Technical Product Specialist at Transtar. And I'm here today, I know I've talked about it before, but I'm going to talk about it again because to me, I believe it is a very important issue. I follow a lot of forums, a lot of tech things, and fluids just don't get enough attention. So at Transtar, we started with a couple multi-fit fluids, and lately we've been expanding our OE offering. And why are we doing that? Well, let me tell you, from just way in the past, we had Type F and Dextron. It's all the way up to Dextron 3, and people keep using it with additives. And again, if it's working for you, please keep doing it. I don't want to change you, but with these newer units coming out, more electrical, they've been changing viscosities on it. They've been changing the way they work with clutch-to-clutch applications. So why with all the OE fluids? If a car comes in for a service and you service the car and you use your brand, if you use a multi-fit and when the customer leaves they have an issue with the transmission, if they happen to go to a dealer, the dealer will look at the bill and go, the wrong fluid was used. That's all you have to tell a customer. Court, here we come, because you now own that transmission. So please, if you're doing a service on a car, try to use OE fluid just to save you. Again, CYA in this case. So past the OE fluids, there's a ton of different changes coming up. And again, I want to bring your attention to, let's just talk Mercon fluid for a change. They have your old, Type F, they have Mercon. They have Mercon LV, which is low viscosity. And now they have ULV, ultra low viscosity. Again, I don't know how much thinner you can really make fluid, but they're working on it. Again, we have your mobile for your GM 8 speeds. This fluid is the latest one. It's the blue label. It has been updated, as far as I know, at least 3 times and maybe more, reformulated. So again, Transtar carries the latest. And by the way, when you get into 8 speeds, to me, it is highly recommended. Use the OE fluid, charge a customer for it, because it's a little bit more than some of the generic fluids. But again, it's going to help you. It's going to help your warranty. Again, if you're having shift issues, it might be the fluid you're using. One more thing about it, if you use the wrong fluid or a bad fluid, is it going to fail right away? No. Give it time. It has to work through, it has to get into the clutches and everything. So there's a lot of different things. One great thing I want to also mention, and it took a while, Transtar now has Allison certified transmission fluid. So we are allowed on this one to put it in. So this one, you could use it for your own shop, or you could use it in any kind of a warranty situation or a service situation where you might need Allison fluid. Again, we have ZF fluid, we have AC Delco fluid, we have Chrysler fluid, and for each specific one, CVT fluid, we have DCT fluid. So again, guys, please, if it's a service, try to use OE fluid. If it's your own nickel and your own warranty, then all bets are off. Use what you want, but make sure you use a quality fluid like Transtar branded fluid. Thank you. Have a great day.